Meaning of killer app.
Killer app.
Killer app.
Killer app.
Killer app. Killer app refers to a software application or feature that is so useful, popular or compelling that it drives the adoption of the technology it is associated with. It is often used to describe a breakthrough application or feature that is considered a must-have or game changer, and can make or break the success of a particular product, platform, or technology. The term is commonly associated with the early days of personal computing and the emergence of the Internet, when certain applications such as email, web browsing and instant messaging played a pivotal role in driving the growth of these technologies.